Nail-in sliders should only be used on furniture or chairs with hardwood legs. These sliders deliver a very long-lasting installation, which is why you'll need a drill and a hammer. First, measure the diameter of the leg's base, making sure you're measuring across the widest part of the base. Our measurement shows us that the 30mm nail-in slider is a perfect fit. Nail-in sliders come packaged with a safety tip over each nail, carefully removed before installing. You will first need to drill a small pilot hole in the center of the leg's base. Select a drill bit that is smaller than the width of the nail. Here, we used a 1.5mm drill bit. Next, position the nail tip in the opening of the pilot hole and hammer into place. That's it! The nail-in sliders mesh beautifully with the legs, and now this stool glides with ease. Properly installed, Magic sliders provide a lifetime of value and possibilities while protecting the investment in your home's floors. Browse our website to discover the full selection of Magic Sliders products.